Welcome to my channel. These products are very high quality on my channel. I've been working on Amazon's best products for a long time. Of course you will like. Check the description box. Please subscribe to my channel. Number 1. Studfinder Sensor Wall Scanner. The most accurate wall scanner. Our team specializes in Studfinder for years and adopts the most advanced sensors technology for accurately and quickly locating studs, wood, metal, AC wires in all modes. This wall scanner always detect and indicate the live AC wires. Whether you are a professional, homeowner or a DE enthusiast, you can find great use in this electronic stud scanner. Upgraded design of LCD screen displaying the desired stud material as well as its precise position. This digital stud scanner features large LCD display, together with clear sound, to detect the accurate location of stud metal AC wires. When the material is detected, its LCD screen will indicate the direction and intensity. All these indicate whether you are closer to the target. This fast detection surely saves you more time and efforts, making your project easier. Number 2. Murate Studfinder Wall Scanner Sensor. The wall scanner is equipped with a sophisticated self-calibration system that adapts to different wall materials, resulting in enhanced reliability and accuracy. This feature facilitates the rapid detection of hidden metal, wood, or electrical wiring in walls, floors, and ceilings, enabling users to pinpoint exact locations for installing various fixtures and fittings. The Stud Finder is equipped with 5 scanning modes, each tailored to specific applications. Among these modes are the 3/4 and 1/2 scanning mode, designed to identify the center and edge of woods, beams, joists, metals, and deeply embedded objects. The metal scanning mode is engineered to detect both ferrous and non-ferrous metals. Additionally, an audible alert buzzer mode is provided to signal the detection of a stud or other object. Number 3. Studfinder Wall Scanner 5-in-1 Stud Detector. With intelligent microprocessor. The most accurate and higher safety stud detector is specially designed. The most advanced sensor technology is used to accurately and quickly locate the metal pipes, fire lines, studs, wooden frames, steel bars, and supporting beams hidden behind walls, floors, and ceilings. Whether you are a professional, homeowner, or DE enthusiast, you can find a good use in this electronic screw scanner. 5 scanning modes up to 60 mm depth. Foley Stud Locator has multi-functions and can quickly and easily locate wood, metal studs, joists, beams, metal pipe, rebar, and live AC wire behind walls, floors, and ceilings. Stud Scan Mode scans through one layer of drywall up to 0.5 inches 12 mm and 1.25 mm thick. Deep Scan Mode scans through 2 layers of drywall up to 1.5 inches 38 mm deep. Deep Stud Scan Mode is a higher sensitivity scanning mode that should be used when there are extra layers of wallboard. Number 4. Laser Measure 165 feet DT50 Laser Distance Meter 50 High Accuracy with Laser Precision Technology. Accuracy ups to plus or minus 1/16 inch. Measuring distance extends to 165 feet. Switchable among in fort for free adjustment. LCD backlight and mute setting. Large backlight screen provides you with a better visibility in dark areas. Mute setting allows you turn on or off the measure beep at your will, suitable for using in library, classroom, and other quiet places. Number 5. The Stud Buddy Magnetic Stud Finder. Drywall is hung to wood or metal studs using screws or nails. The Stud Buddy utilizes super strong neodymium magnets to detect those screw nail heads as you run the Stud Finder across your wall. When a screw or nail head is detected, the Stud Buddy sticks to the wall, pointing you to the exact location of these studs. There are no batteries or moving parts to worry about. The Stud Buddy is always ready to work. Ergonomically designed to fit comfortably in your hand and constructed of plastic that won't mark or scratch your walls.